Hi guys, today I am doing a DIY video on this right here, these little details and cutouts. I'd suggest just going to like a thrift shop or something and getting a tee there. The first thing that you're going to do is turn your shirt inside out, lay it down flat. You can take a pen and a marker and mark where you want to cut. Then you're going to take your scissors. It works better if you have fabric scissors, but if you don't fret. These aren't fabric scissors, so it'll all be fine. And I like to leave this part right here, so I just cut right under the seam right here. Make sure not to cut the seam. Now for the sleeves, you're going to lay your shirt down flat once again. And I just take my scissors from the top and cut inward as far as you want to cut in. Make sure that you leave some room for the sleeve. I just pull these a little bit. Then on the other side, do the exact same thing. You can even fold your shirt over. Now flip your shirt right side out. You're just going to tie these into a knot. Do the same thing to the other side. Now for the bottom, you can be done with just the neck or the neck and the sleeves, but I like to add a cute little side cutout with another little tie. And that's what I'm going to do here. I diagonal it in. Hold that right there where I cut it and pull the pieces like we did the sleeves. Just gonna take this, tie a knot like we did with the sleeves. Now with the bottom, I like to make it a little tighter than the sleeves. With the sleeves, I like to leave a little hole out like this for extra detailing. Knot like that, and I pull on the sides like this, and again until I feel like it looks cute. Now I guess there is a little bit of give right there, which is totally fine. Looks a little messy, but I'm going to go and put this on so you guys can see what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!